incredible health benefits of cinnamon. Number 1. Acts as antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Cinnamaldehyde, the main active component of cinnamon, may help fight various kinds of infection. Cinnamaldehyde is an essential oil present in the bark, displays antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It inhibits certain bacteria like Salmonella and also controls respiratory infections caused by fungi. Number 2. Loaded with antioxidants, it can reduce oxidative stress that has been proven to damage cells and contribute to nearly every chronic disease such as type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants such as choline, beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, etc. Cinnamon is so powerful that it acts as a natural food preservative. Number 3. Reduce the cholesterol levels. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamate that may decrease enzyme activity that makes cholesterol, thus reducing the number of fatty acids in the blood. It helps to reduce bad cholesterol in your body that reduces the risk of heart diseases. Alt text. Number 4. Manage type 2 diabetes. Insulin is an important hormone to control your blood sugar levels and to regulate your metabolism. Daily consumption of cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. It slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, which results in a reduced amount of glucose entry in circulation. Number 5. Protective against cancer. Cinnamon has anti-cancerous properties. It inhibits the growth of cancer cells and prevents the formation of blood vessels in tumors. Daily consumption of cinnamon provides a protective action against cancer, particularly colon cancer. Fitness just Creat. Subscribe to information on daily health tips and updates, like share. Thanks for watching.